Class 5th Social Science Chapter 3 Major Landforms. In this video, we will learn about mountains and plateaus. Landforms. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water bodies and only 29% is land. So, 71% of the earth is covered with water and land covers only 29% of it. The land surface is not the same all over the world. At some places it is flat and at some other places it is higher. The variations in the earth's surface are called the relief features or landforms. See, the earth's surface is not the same everywhere. At some places it is flat, at other places it is high. These variations or changes in the earth's surface are called the relief features or landforms. Landforms. Now, the major landforms on the earth are mountains, plateaus, plains, river valleys, and deserts. Mountain. The elevated part of the earth's surface rising about 900 meters higher than the surrounding areas is called mountain. So, mountain is an uplifted or raised part of the earth's surface which rises about 900 meters high than the surrounding areas. About 20% of the earth's surface is covered with mountains. Features of mountains. Mountains have steep slopes, sharp ridges and peaks. See, the mountains have steep slopes. As you can see in the figure marked with black pencil or pen, it shows the steep sides. Steep sides means the side is straight. And pointed peaks. Okay, the sharp ridges and peaks. Narrow and sharp peaks are there. The height and shape of the mountain vary due to their age. See, different mountains have different shape and height because of their age. The young fold mountains like Himalayas, they are very high and have pointed peaks. Whereas Aravalis, which are the old fold mountains, they have less height and have rounded peaks. Now, several mountains may join to form a chain or a range. For example, Himalayas, the Andes and the Rocky Mountains. See, as you can see in the picture, some of the mountains are in the form of chain. Okay, this is called a mountain range. Like Himalayas are also mountain range. There are 3 parallel ranges of Himalayas. The climate in the mountains is cooler than the plains. See, plains are warm or hot as compared to the mountains because the temperature decreases with the increase in height, or in other words, as we move higher, the temperature decreases. And the peaks of high mountains are covered with snow because they are very high. Importance of mountains. Mountains block the moisture-carrying wind and cause rainfall. Mountains act as a barrier for the moisture-carrying wind or the wind that blows from the oceans, from the side of the oceans or seas. They pick up moisture, from the sea or ocean, and those are called moisture carrying wind. So these mountains, they block the moisture carrying wind and help in bringing rain. Mountains protect against the hot and cold winds. So mountains also provide protection against the hot as well as cold winds. Many rivers originate from the mountains and provide water throughout the year. Many rivers, they have their origin in the mountain, like the Ganga river originates from Gangotri glacier in the Himalayas. And they provide water throughout the year. Many hill stations are located in the mountains. As you know, Himachal is a range of Himalayas, and it has many hill stations like the Kullu Manali, Nainital and others. Mountains are the storehouse of a variety of plants and trees. See, different types of plants and trees grow in the forest of the mountains or in the mountainous forest, and these trees are very much valuable. Some mountains have rich deposits of minerals. Minerals are also found in some of the mountains. Now, plateaus. A plateau is an elevated part of the earth with a flat top. Plateau is also a raised or a uplifted part of the earth's surface, but it has a flat top. It is also called tableland because it resembles a table which has a flat top and steep sides or straight sides. The height of the plateau is about 500 meters. Features of plateaus. A plateau has very steep sides. Look at the side marked with red color. The sides are very much steep. Not sloping but steep. Plateaus are located near mountains or are surrounded by mountains. Example, Tibet Plateau. Most of the plateaus, they are located either in the mountains or are surrounded by the mountains. Like Tibet Plateau, which is the highest plateau of the world. It is also known as the roof of the world. Plateau covers 1/3 of the Earth's surface. Most plateaus spread over hundreds of kilometers, for example, Deccan Plateau. Most plateaus are so extensive or wide that they cover hundreds of kilometers. And Deccan Plateau is such type of plateau. Importance of plateaus. Most of the plateaus are rich in minerals like copper, silver, gold, iron, coal, etc. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is quite rich in minerals. It is also known as a storehouse of minerals. Most plateaus have steep falling waterfalls, which provide a suitable site for producing hydroelectricity. See, most of the plateaus, they have waterfalls, steep falling waterfalls, which are an important site for producing hydroelectricity or electricity from water. Natural beauty of the plateaus attract tourists. Many tourists from around the country and from outside the country also, they visit the plateaus to see the natural beauty of the plateaus. Grasslands in the plateaus are suitable for cattle and sheep rearing. See, some of the plateaus also have grasslands which are suitable or best suited for cattle and sheep rearing.